Hello Team Pecans! Today we are talking about the Hair Renew Serum. Why pecans for hair care? Pecans contain a high amount of nutrients, so you're finding zinc and magnesium, so that it's going to strengthen your roots so your hair is not falling so much. You're also finding biotin, amino acids, and omegas, which are great to promote hair growth and thickness. Also, the pecan oil, it's very smooth, very light, so it really absorbs into the follicles of the hair, helping you to restore, renew, and hydrate your hair. Our Hair Renew Serum is for any type of hair, including coily hair and straight hair. Our hair serum you can use in a few different ways depending on what you want to achieve with it. If you are suffering from hair loss, or if you want to strengthen your hair and you want to promote more growth and thickness, you want to use it directly on the roots. It is recommended to do this before you wash your hair, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you grab the dropper, apply a few drops onto your fingertips, massage your fingertips, and then you go ahead and massage into your scalp. And then repeat this a few times until your scalp is fully covered. Wait 5-10 minutes and then go ahead and wash your hair. If you're looking more for hydration and restoring dry and damaged hair, you can do that in wet or dry hair. You just go ahead and apply a few drops, rub it in, and then start from the bottom, and whatever's left, just go ahead into the top. Now remember, if you put too much oil, your hair is going to be oily. So start with 2 or 3 drops and then add more if you need more. To purchase our Hair Renew Serum, you can go ahead and find a local retailer near you through our website under the store locator. Make sure you select the product and it will show you where to find it near you. You can also shop through the website and Amazon as well.